In September of last year, Xiaomi introduced the Watch 2 Pro, marking another stride in their smartwatch lineup. Now, it appears the company is gearing up for another release, this time opting to shed the Pro moniker in favor of the more streamlined Xiaomi Watch 2. Recent reports from WinFuture have provided insights into this upcoming wearable device, offering enthusiasts a glimpse into what to expect. According to the disclosed information, the Xiaomi Watch 2 is poised to inherit much of the appearance language from its predecessor, the Watch 2 Pro. However, one notable departure is the absence of a functional crown on the right side. Attaining the same 1.43-inch circular AMOLED display boasting a resolution of 466 by 466 pixels and in always-on mode, this smartwatch maintains its aesthetic appeal. The display is seamlessly integrated, encased within a slightly obscured bezel under a smooth glass cover, enhancing its visual appeal. Furthermore, with a 5 ATM water resistance rating, users can confidently wear the Xiaomi Watch 2 in various environments. Under the hood, the Xiaomi Watch 2 is expected to be powered by the Snapdragon W5 Gen 1 quad-core chipset, mirroring the capabilities of its Pro counterpart. This chipset promises robust performance while optimizing battery efficiency, with reports suggesting a commendable battery life of up to 65 hours. Operating on Google's Wear OS platform, users can anticipate a seamless integration with a suite of pre-installed apps, such as Google Wallet, Google Maps, and the Play Store. Connectivity options are set to include Bluetooth 5.2, Wi-Fi, NFC, GPS, and GNSS, catering to diverse usage scenarios. However, it's worth noting that an LTE-compatible variant of the device is not expected to be available. In line with contemporary trends, health and fitness features are a focal point for the Xiaomi Watch 2. With support for an impressive array of 150 sports modes, users can track and monitor various activities seamlessly. Additionally, the device is equipped with essential sensors including a sleep monitor, SpO2 sensor, heart rate monitor, and step counter, empowering users to take charge of their well-being with comprehensive insights. As anticipation builds for the release of the Xiaomi Watch 2, enthusiasts can look forward to a versatile and feature-rich smartwatch, offering a compelling blend of style, functionality, and performance. The list of prices for the Xiaomi Watch 2 vary slightly, with reports indicating figures ranging from €199 to €219, depending on the specific market. This range suggests that pricing may be influenced by factors such as regional taxes, import duties, and distribution costs. However, despite these fluctuations, the overall price positioning of the Xiaomi Watch 2 remains competitive, aligning with the company's ethos of offering high-quality products at accessible price points. With its competitive pricing and an array of compelling features, the Xiaomi Watch 2 is poised to capture the attention of smartwatch enthusiasts, seeking a balance between affordability and functionality. As it becomes available across different regions, consumers can look forward to experiencing the Xiaomi Watch 2 firsthand, exploring its capabilities and experiencing the synergy of style, performance, and value it promises to deliver. Thanks for watching this video. What do you think about the new watch? Will it be like this? Write your opinion in the comments below. Have a nice day and God bless you.